I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya?
It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The bell for King of all sing hallelujah.
Hallelujah, hallelujah,
Hallelujah,
Your faith was strong, but you needed proof.